case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a compelling 2005 case heard by the Alaska Court of Appeals, Dominic Allen came forward as a defendant challenging a unique intersection of law and morality. Central to the case, Allen v. State was the idea of a necessity defense, suggesting that a crime becomes defensible when it is committed with the intent to prevent a greater harm. What sparked the lawsuit? Dominic Allen was found guilty of driving while his license was suspended and for violating terms of his release. But Allen claimed he was forced into a corner. His mother, who at first was driving, had grown suddenly fatigued and developed double vision. This drove Allen to take command of the wheel, as he saw the potential gravity of her medical distress. Naturally, he aimed to find immediate help, but the only place at hand was Big John's Liquors, where he hoped to use the phone to call for assistance. Despite his reasoning, the trial judge didn't see eye to eye. Allen's proposed defense of necessity, along with any supporting evidence, was barred from the courtroom. The crux of the case, whether Allen truly lacked alternatives to committing a crime, and if his actions caused harm equivalent to the avoided catastrophe, was largely unexplored. The lower court's suppression of his necessity defense did not sit well with Allen, prompting him to appeal. As the case reached the Alaska Court of Appeals, a substantial decision was made in favor of Allen. The judges unanimously agreed that the trial court judge erred by blocking Allen's necessity defense. However, the court's decision to grant Allen a new trial was not unconditional. The explicit requirement set centered on the issues the trial court had glossed over originally. Was Allen truly without reasonable alternatives? And did his actions ultimately reflect a proportionate harm? In concluding the case, the court held that the trial judge's error was significant enough to mandate a fresh trial. It thus appears that Allen, in his duel with the state, has bought himself another shot to argue his case of necessity.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.